until you want to learn credit. Hey, what's up, peeps? This is Devon Trail clocking in for another video segment on the credit game and how to build the credit game and help you out. You know, it's something that you need in life, and I'm gonna keep preaching that every day on my page. All right, so for this video, we're gonna cut to the point. This is gonna be a video of some apps that I use that are very fundamental to me to boost my credit very quickly. Even if you have no credit, even if you have no history and you're starting off at the lowest of the low, these apps are easy to use and they're free. For most of the apps, they put a loan in your account that you're paying off towards per month, and basically at the end of that period they will give you back the money, or they will give it to you in some sort of like a credit line. The first app I'm going to be talking about is going to be Self. It's called Self Lenders. I've used it personally, love it. It helped me out in my situation where my credit was terrible and I needed something. I couldn't get any type of like credit line anywhere, so I needed some type of help, and I found it. Len was awesome. Their customer support is awesome, and at the end of it, you have the choice to either, like I said, keep the money or use that money to build a credit line with them, and then they'll give you a credit card in that amount that you basically pay towards for a period of time. It usually lasts for about 12 months for the payment plan that they have, but you can pay it off earlier. It's just a way to keep a small type of payment on your credit report, so it shows like you're paying for a resolving account. These are going to be called Primaries. There's another one that I like also, is called Kikoff, that they use. And if you really want to like get over the lump and do like a real challenge, so this is a quick so did you know there's one called Credit Strong? They'll put $10,000 line credit in your report, and basically you're going to be paid per month towards that credit that amount that you set per month for the full year. This one is going to really put the icing on the cake and really get you to that next level. These things are very user friendly. They're going to really help you get to that next point in life, especially if you were like me, where you had no credit and you just needed something to help you get over because you couldn't get a car loan, or you couldn't get a little tiny $1,000 loan from a lending company because things on your credit just were not looking the way they should have looked. So you handle all those negative debts that you have. After that, get yourself an account with either Self Lending Credit or Kikoff or Credit Strong. I'm going to put the links below inside the description. Just feel free to click them down. When you use the link, it's going to be helping our page basically provide more information for you, which is actually great. And with more information, better things in life happen for you, especially information like credit. Also, in the link below, in the description below, there'll be a link to my OnlyFans page. Click that out, check it out below. We're doing live videos, which are awesome. And we're doing Q&As, which are great, especially if you can't get to me on here. That's another way to get to me. I hope the camera's all right. I'm trying to find some way to position it throughout the video, and I know I'm moving it a lot, so bear with me. Look at this view. This is my view as I walk and do my recording. I wanted you guys to have something nice to look at instead of my terrible face all the time. But use the knowledge that I gave you, implement them today, and get your credit up. It only benefits you with these apps. The funds you're paying towards is either going to come back to you in the form of money, or you can do it in credit. Also, if you are a fellow parent, I suggest you start doing things and taking action, and like now that you can implement some actions that you can do to help your kids, like start saving for certain things that your children will need in the future. Start I don't know, look online. A lot of these apps that I talked about here, they offer insight and they offer resources to help out not just yourself but your children too. And if you want to continue this great cycle and make sure it's implemented in your family, it will be great to help your children know, because chances are, if they're like us, they're not going to be taught that either. All right, so do it for not just you but for the kids too. I found an app recently that I've been using. It's like a credit analyzing and maintaining. So if you want to, and also paying off debts, like if you struggle and you can't find any way to organize a way to pay off these debts, there is an app called Bright. This app is really awesome. They apply all your credit cards and they do a research on everything that you owe, and they put it all into one portfolio where they take a small fraction of money out of your account per transaction and they help pay off it towards your debt. So you'll be paying off your debt without even realizing it as you're doing regular day shopping. At the same time, you'll still be increasing your credit score. So there are things you could do if you have nothing, because when you have nothing, there's room to grow and get something, and it just takes action. All right, I wanted to keep this video very short, sweet, and simple. I'm also going to be doing a little video on what my page is going to be about. As you can see, we're doing a lot of financing and credit things, because if you're like me and a lot of other people in the world, you weren't taught credit, and it's kind of the keystone to living the life you want. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little walk with me in the park and my recording, and I'm out. And yes, please don't forget to smash that subscribe button, that like button, and throw a comment down below if you have anything you're interested in. We'll be having a Facebook group very soon created, and it's going to be a community for everybody to learn, grow, and express what they have to express. I know 2021 has been different and difficult, but 2022 is going to be great for the rest of us. Take care, stay blessed. Devon checking out, and you stay focused, stay locked in, and work. You have the power to achieve anything you want. Go out and get it.